Hello, it's Jim O'Rear. It is October 14th, 2020, and in case you didn't know, over at EPCOT at Walt Disney World, they secretly opened a new pass holder only pop-up store today. Yep, just kind of out of nowhere. Surprise! And it is a store that only can be accessed by pass holders. You have to show your pass holder card to get in. And they have exclusive pass holder merchandise as well as new World Showcase merchandise that only pass holders can see. And we thought we'd go over there for the opening and give you guys an idea of what to expect and what they have in that store. Now the store did just open today. It is open through November 17th. So if you see some stuff in this that you're interested in, head on over to the Passholder Store at EPCOT and check it out. Let's take a look. So if you haven't been back to EPCOT since reopening, yes, EPCOT still is a construction nightmare, just like it was before park closing, with the walls up everywhere and things like that to hide the construction. The front of the park is a mess. But once you get past that and things kind of start to open up, and you get into the new food and wine festival stuff and into the World Showcase, then things are opened up. You're past the construction zone and all that, and it's very nice. And it is the World Showcase where you will want to head to hit up the pass holder shop right here in Germany. So head over to Germany. You can see here that there is a virtual queue, so you'll have to check in here to join the virtual wait list. They'll add your name and phone number to the wait list, and then you will get a text message when it's your turn to enter the store. And then you'll come right back here and check in, and you'll be able to enter. Now, when you get into the store, you'll see that it's not just a little pop-up kind of place, which I sort of thought it would be, but it's actually several rooms full of merchandise, and it's pass holder exclusive merchandise, as well as brand new World Showcase merchandise from some of the countries over there. So we're going to take a little walk around here, take a look at some of the rooms and some of the items that you can find there, give you an idea of what's there. And I'm not going to narrate this whole thing and tell you what everything is, because you're smart enough to look at it and know what it is by just looking at it. So here, take a walk around the store with us. some pass holders may remember these coasters and cutting boards that you could get for free when you visited EPCOT festivals. Well, they've got a lot left, and when you spend $50, you can get one. So if you missed out on that merchandise and you wanted it, you can get it here in the pass holder shop by spending $50, and you just pick what you want. If you want coasters or if you want the cutting board. So let's look at a few more things. They do have a pretty good markdown on some stuff. If you see here, they've got 50% off certain World Showcase items that you can get, you know, such as this from Norway, jackets and hats and things like that. So 50% off, really, really pretty good deal. Now, since the Flower and Garden Festival got short due to COVID and they had to close like right after it opened, you can also find flower and garden merchandise over there. And yes, it is on sale as well. Looky here, you get a bargain at 50% off the flower and garden items in the store as well. How about that? Pretty cool, huh? So here, let's take a look at just a few more things in the shop before we leave. And if you're lucky, when you leave the shop, you'll be greeted by royalty. Looky right there. There's Elsa, and following up in the buggy is Anna right there. Some royalty from Frozen visiting EPCOT and passing by the Passholder Store as we were exiting. Pretty cool. I love these little cavalcades that they've got popping up here in the parks recently. So there you go. There's the new pop-up Passholder Store at EPCOT. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please think about subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button and join us for more fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.